Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing video. I'm unboxing a vacuum cleaner. So that's a Vytronix 3-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner. I can see I got it from Amazon, and I shipped in using a traditional method of opening the box, and that is using a pair of keys to cut the tape on it. So here we are opening up, and as we can see, there is a box within a box. But there's the Vytronix cordless 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So here we are, model number NIBC22, and this is a 22 volt battery on it, and you see this this second box inside is also taped. So again, going to use my keys to cut into this as you know, standard. Most people, I guess, use keys to cut open tape. Struggling a little bit on this corner. But and there we are. Just go with a satisfying pop. And there we are. Inside that box, another box with the actual vacuum cleaner inside it. Gave it a few shakes just to try and get it out. In the end, I decided to let gravity help, because it fits very snugly inside there. It was difficult for me to grab hold of anything to help bring it out, so you can see it's taped again, but it does look a little bit like it's been retaped, you know, like resealed. It just feels a little bit kind of, you know, unnecessary to have this secondary tape on here. Also makes getting into the pull-out tabs in order to open it a little bit more difficult. It's quite satisfying when you finally get into it. Finally get that tab out, and you know that you're almost finished in the way of being able to open it. As you can see, everything seems fairly neatly packed in. section has got the manual in there. Those are the brushes and utensils for using it directly, and this is the head for cleaning on a carpet. This is the extension for using the floor cleaning part. I accidentally picked up pressing the trigger, and the manual does say about putting the battery into the unit, but it looked like the battery was already pre-installed. Now these bits of card will go and get recycled, and we'll just put the utensils back in the box for storage. It does come with a attachment so you can attach it to a wall. But as you can see, it's got a really nice finish on it. Everything does seem to be in good working order, and so it has a very satisfying click when you put the parts in. And it's fairly easy release as well. A little bit difficult to get the head in, but you definitely knew that you had it in with the very audible click, and you can actually see the mechanism moves and locks into place. So empty straight out the bottom. You can fasten it up again, and you can also disconnect the battery part and everything from it. Just a simple little click there, and the whole battery assembly part comes off, and it just easily clicks back into place. So there we have it.